Daisy.
Hi, guys.
You didn't see a little dog run by, did you?
No. But I did hear some barking flowers.
Barking flowers? That's Bella. We're puppy sitting.
You really think I look fat?
Pumba, Pumba, Pumba. You're a pig. It's a compliment.
Oh, thank you.
I can help you find her. What does Bella look like?
She's got orange and white polka dots.
Well, I don't have any orange and white flowers, so let's look.
Do you see Bella hiding in the flower garden? Where is she? Yeah, there she is. Good spotting, everybody. Okay, Bella, you can come out now.
Oh, she's so cute. And so dirty, too.
That's okay, because fetch, bath, lunch, nap. What's next on Clarabelle's list? A bath. Right! We have to give Bella a bath.